Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best budget corded vacuum in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Buy-Sell 2252 CleanView Swivel Upright Bagless Vacuum with Swivel Steering, Powerful Pet Hair Pickup, Specialized Pet Tools, Large Capacity Dirt Tank, Easy Empty, Green. Every repurchase saves PTS. Buy-Sell proudly supports BoostIQ Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Swivel steering for maximum maneuverability. Makes cleaning around furniture and other obstacles easy. Filter replacement every 6 months. Tread PL Action Brush Roll, loosens, lifts and removes embedded pet hair. Multi surface cleaning with scatter-free TCK no OGE. Stop the scatter when tackling dry pet messes on hard surfaces. Edge-to-edge cleaning. Tackle pet hair, dirt, and debris along edges and in corners. Number 4. Hoover ONEPWR Evolve Pet Cordless Small Upright Vacuum Cleaner, Lightweight Stick Vac, for carpet and hard floor, BH 53420V White. Cordless delivers cord-free convenience with the removable and rechargeable ONEPWR 4.0 max battery. Charge time 3 to 4 hours. Yes, battery amp hours 4.0. Perfect for PTS. Tackle stubborn pet hair and dirt throughout the home. Il tire lige to EIHE. Weighs less than 9 ounces when you lift it. Feels like 2 ounces when you recline it and start vacuuming on. Holidays 3x memory dirt and PET hair. Larger dirt cup capacity than a stick vacuum for less trips to the trash can too. Perfect for CRPET and HARDFLOR. On/off brush roll helps effortlessly transition from carpets to hard floors with the touch of a button. What's SINLCED? Evolve Pet ONEPWR 4.0 max battery charger. Number 3. UFLE by Anker BoostIQ RoboVac 15C Max Wi-Fi connected robot vacuum cleaner. Super thin, powerful suction, quiet, self-charging robotic vacuum cleaner cleans hard floors to medium pile carpets. Super Slim RoboVac. The 2.85 Slim RoboVac boasts an intense suction power, up to 2000 PA, while maintaining quiet operation. Wi-Fi convenience, UFO Map and Alexa and the Google Assistant voice control services let you accomplish your vacuuming needs with zero effort from you. BoostIQ technology. RoboVac automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed for deep cleaning. A quiet clean. Vacuums for up to 100 minutes of constant powerful suction at a volume no louder than an operating microwave. Number 2. Black Plus dustbuster Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Flexi Blue/Gray/White. HEVI 315 Joe 42. Multi surface use removes hair, dirt, and debris from carpets, car interiors, furniture, and high-traffic areas. Lightweight and portable. Easy to carry and maneuver, even in tight spaces. Crevice tool. Accesses hard-to-reach areas like between couch cushions and on top of shelves. Push and brush. Adds an extra layer of cleaning versatility for dusting and vacuuming upholstery. Wide mouth. Quickly scoops up large messes. CYCONIC action. Spins dust and debris away from the filter, supplying consistently strong suction power. High capacity dirt bowl. Translucent bagless dirt bowl collects 50% more dirt compared to HNV 220 BCZ01 and empties easily for simple debris disposal. Number 1. Buy-Sell 2254 CleanView Swivel Rewind Pet Upright Bagless Vacuum. Automatic cord rewind, swivel steering, powerful pet hair pickup, specialized pet tools, large capacity dirt tank teal. By Buy-Sell. St. Pet's Buy-Sell donates up to $10 to the Buy-Sell Pet Foundation for every pet product purchase. Upon activation, triple action brush roll plus scatter-free technology maximize pet hair pickup. Even if it's embedded, 27 power cord automatically rewinds for quick and easy storage. Cleaning path width 13.5 inch. Swivel steering makes cleaning around furniture and obstacles easy. Edge-to-edge cleaning feature gets closer to walls and corners with each pass. Includes specialized pet tools like the Pet Hair Corner tool and Pet Turbo Eraser tool. Replacement filter, style 12141.